What are the potential challenges of using large knowledge bases in a Retrieval-Augmented Generation RAG model, and how can they be addressed? Answer: using large knowledge bases in a RAG model can lead to several challenges. One of the primary concerns is retrieval speed, as the model may struggle to quickly retrieve relevant information from the vast amount of data. This can result in slower response times and decreased performance. To address this issue, advanced indexing methods such as vector search and approximate nearest neighbor algorithms can be employed to speed up the retrieval process. Another challenge that arises from using large knowledge bases is data redundancy and conflicting information. As the knowledge base grows, it becomes increasingly difficult to manage redundant or conflicting data, which can lead to inaccurate generated responses. To mitigate this issue, data cleaning and filtering techniques can be used to ensure that only high-quality, relevant data is pulled. This not only improves the accuracy of generated responses but also reduces the computational load on the model. Scalability is another significant concern when using large knowledge bases in an RAG model. As the knowledge base expands, the computational load on the model increases, which can lead to decreased performance and slower response times. To address this issue, the knowledge base can be segmented into smaller, domain-specific modules, which can help to reduce the computational load and improve retrieval efficiency. Finally, biases in the generated output can occur if the retrieval system favors certain knowledge base areas. To minimize bias and ensure balanced, accurate outputs, regular evaluation and fine-tuning of the retrieval process are crucial. Additionally, ensuring data diversity and using techniques such as data augmentation can help to reduce the impact of biases and improve the overall performance of the model.